Religion is the manifestation of the divinity already in man. It is the idea which is raising the brute unto man, and man unto God. Religion is not in books, nor in theories, nor in dogmas, nor in talking, not even in reasoning. It is being and becoming. Try to be pure and unselfish. That is the whole of the religion. The secret of religion lies not in theories, but in practice. To be good and to do good, that is the whole of religion. I look upon religion as the innermost core of education. The root is religion. Religion is as the rice, and everything else like the curries. Taking only curries causes indigestion, and so is the case with taking rice alone. In all religions, the superconscious state is identical. Hindus, Christians, Mohammedans, Buddhists, and even those of no creed, all have the very same experience when they transcend the body. The Christian is not to become a Hindu or a Buddhist, nor a Hindu or a Buddhist to become a Christian, but each must assimilate the spirit of the others, and yet preserve his individuality and grow according to his own law of growth. We believe not only in universal tolerance, but we accept all religions as true. I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered the persecuted and the refugees of all religions and all nations of the earth. We must not only tolerate others, but positively embrace them, and that truth is the basis of all religions. Condemn none. If you can stretch out a helping hand, do so. If you cannot, fold your hands, bless your brothers, and let them go their own way. Dragging down and condemning is not the way to work. Never is work accomplished in that way. This is the gist of all worship, to be pure and to do good to others. He who sees Shiva in the poor, in the weak, and in the diseased, really worships Shiva. And if he sees Shiva only in the image, his worship is but preliminary. He who has served and helped poor man, seeing Shiva in him, without thinking of his caste or creed or race or anything, with him Shiva is more pleased than with the man who sees him only in temples. Doing good to others is virtue. Injuring others is sin. Strength and manliness are virtue. Weakness and cowardice are sin. Independence is virtue. Dependence is sin. Loving others is virtue. Hating others is sin. Faith in God and in one's own self is virtue. Doubt is sin. Knowledge of oneness is virtue. Seeing diversity is sin. Truth, purity, and unselfishness, wherever these are present, there is no power below or above the sun to crush the possessor thereof. Equipped with these, one individual is able to face the whole universe in opposition. Perfect sincerity, holiness, gigantic intellect, and an all-conquering will. Let only a handful of men work with these, and the whole world will be revolutionized. Be moral, be brave, be a heart-whole man, strictly moral, brave unto desperation. Don't bother your head with religious theories. Cowards only sin. Brave men never. No, not even in mind. Work hard, be steady, have faith in the Lord. Set to work. I am coming sooner or later. Keep the motto before you: elevation of the masses without injuring their religion. Say, this misery that I am suffering is of my own doing, and that very thing proves that it will have to be undone by me alone. That which I created, I can demolish. That which is created by someone else, I shall never be able to destroy. Therefore stand up, be bold, be strong. Take the whole responsibility on your own shoulders, and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. Great things can be done by great sacrifices only. No selfishness, no name, no fame, yours or mine, nor my master's even. Work, work the idea, the plan, my boys, my brave, noble, good souls. To the wheel put your shoulders. Stop not to look back for name or fame or any such nonsense. Throw self overboard and work. Wake up, stop not until the goal is reached, say the Vedas. Up, up, the long night is passing, the day is approaching, the wave has risen, nothing will be able to resist its tidal fury. The spirit, my boys, the spirit. The love, my children, the love. The faith, the belief, and fear not. The greatest sin is fear. Do not be afraid of a small beginning. Great things come afterwards. Be courageous. Do not try to lead your brethren, but serve them. The brutal mania for leading has sunk many a great ship in the waters of life. Take care especially of that. That is, be unselfish, even unto death, and work. Let us work without desire for name or fame or rule over the others. Let us be free from the triple bonds of lust, greed of gain, and anger. And the truth is with us. Go and preach to all. Arise, awake, sleep no more. Within each of you there is the power to remove all wants and all miseries.